Here's the final of the fireworks in Dobbs Ferry. This is sick. 2016. Woo. First fireworks in 3 years. Woo! Oh, this is so cool. So much fireworks. People not to wear headphones when they do this. On my heart. Woo! Woo! Guys, that was the end. Woo! Guys, that was the finale of all the fireworks. Oh God, that was the end.